welcome. Today's video we're going to be talking about a full variation we have now seen for the Boxycharm Base Box for September. As well as I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about BoxyPop Up. Some of the things did come in and I wanted to show you guys my order. I placed several orders, but this is what's in right now, so I'm sure stay tuned. I'll be back with more. Yeah, that's where I'm at. So anyways, guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess. We run on a lot of caffeine. We drink a lot of Daily Harvest because, you know, gotta get my fruits and veggies in. And it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, we play in makeup, and we remember at the end of the day, it is in fact only makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. This is our happy place. At least for me, this is very much my happy place. So hopefully this is a channel for you where you'll stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I do upload 5 days a week guaranteed, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time. And I do try and pop up some videos for you guys on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So like I said, stick around, become part of the Hot Mess fam, where we just are here to have a good old time. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I do have a giveaway going on over there currently, as well as over on TikTok, where I am dancing myself into the very next day or next week, whatever it may be. But I'm back over on TikTok having a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and jump into the variation, the full variation we are seeing for September base box, as well as some of my Boxy pop-up goodies that I went a little ham on. So as always, anything that I find on the internet for you guys to show you guys, I do leave the handle for you guys because I give credit where credit is due. Shout out to Boxycharm News because this is where I pulled this from Instagram. We've got 5 items in our base box. Now, if you are new to Boxycharm and you're kind of like, what is this base box thing you keep talking about? There is different membership levels as far as it goes, or subscriptions you can choose from when it goes as far as it goes with Boxycharm. Now, the base box is $25 plus tax every single month, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. And I'm telling you, I'm not too mad about this variation I'm about to tell you guys about. Now, I don't know what variation number this is, and I don't have the prices for these items because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. But don't worry, I'll be coming back with more variations as well. Like I said, this is just the first one that I have seen. Now, when it comes to the base box, you do get to customize one item in the box. The particular item we are seeing here for the choices is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate item, and I actually was able to pick this up during BoxyPop Up as well. Like I said, this was a choice item in our base box. This has a retail value, I want to say, of like $80-some. It's very expensive. It's very like rave reviews type of product, and I will tell you guys, my mom has more dry skin and she loves this. She loves this. So I am super excited to have this in my collection. And like I said, in this particular variation, this was the choice item. The next item we are seeing that has me 10 times of excited is by OFRA Cosmetics, which again is not new to Boxycharm. We've seen OFRA Cosmetics. We've seen her first ever eyeshadow palette. We've seen her blush. We've seen her brushes, eye brushes, face brushes. We've seen her in this box before, and I'm super excited to see, I believe it's called the Spanglish palette. It's an 8-pan palette. It's beautiful, yummy, like purples, and you've got some neutral shades in here as well. And I love the fact that you could do like a simple neutral, natural, whatever you want to call it, kind of look, but then you can always do some pops of purpley pinks in there as well. And I just think that this palette is absolutely beautiful, and I want this in my collection. Fingers crossed I want this palette, or fingers crossed this is an add-on, because I will talk to you guys about specific days when you need to make your choices for your October base and premium box, as well as add-ons, because we love a good deal. We love a good deal. Okay, so the third item we're going to talk about is by Billion Dollar Brows. This is actually another brand that we have seen in past boxes before. Specifically, I did receive this brush. It's a duo-ended brush, or whatever it's called, sculpting duo brush, and this was in, I think, a premium box maybe, and this is actually a really good brush. Like, I am not queen of contour by any means, but I do feel like this brush helps with my helps me a little bit with my nose contour, and it's really softly underneath the eye. I really do like this. So again, like I said, we've seen Billion Dollar Brow in the past. We're going to see it again in this sponge. One thing I don't know, in this particular picture, I'm only seeing one sponge. I know in the past we have seen companies only send one, but then we've seen some send multiple sponges. So I would assume this is going to be kind of like, you know, I used it today, like a regular beauty sponge, and I guess we're only going to be receiving one in here. But Billion Dollar Brows is more of an expensive brand as far as that goes. The next item we are seeing is by Laura Geller. This is a mascara. Now, I honestly don't know much about this particular mascara, and I feel like I'm a mascara connoisseur. I love me my mascaras. You guys know if you've been with me for a while. I use everything from high-end to drugstore, and I have little concoctions. Like today, I have my Milk Makeup Eye Primer, Mascara Primer. I have the Ciate Linden Wonder Wand Mascara, and then I have my Essence Lash Princess on. I love concoctions. I also like to just use one, but then sometimes I'm extra sin like today, and I'm using multiple. So I'm excited to try it out because I love to try out different brands, and I'm always excited to get kind of a high-end mascara in our boxes, especially when the mascara is typically about the price of the box. The last item I see in here is by Huda Beauty, and these are her matte, and I think they're called matte and metal or something. It's like a duo type of eyeshadow, and I have never tried these. I am definitely very curious about these items, or about this like duo. One thing I have heard is you gotta have to work a little fast with them, so I'm kind of hoping to get that in my box just to be able to try the formula out. Overall, my thoughts on this box, I don't think this is a bad box. Like for $25, this alone is well worth like more than double, you know? So I'm pretty excited about this box. I wouldn't be mad about receiving it. Let me know down below if you guys receive this variation. What would you what are your thoughts on here? Like I said, I don't know how they were able to see this full variation, but I'm pretty excited about it. That's for sure. I do want to go ahead and go over some important dates for you guys real quick before I jump into Boxy Pop Up, because I want you guys to mark your calendars when choices are live. So important dates: September 14th. It is a Monday. This is when you have early access if you are a premium or Luxe member, or you are on the wait list for premium or Luxe. September 14th is when you're going to go in and make your choices for the base box. As well as September 15th, if you are a base box member only, this is when you're going to be able to jump into your account and you're going to go ahead and make your choices for October. I do not know yet what the choices will be for the base box, but you know your girl's going to be coming back and talking to you guys about those choices. I like to find out what the choices are and then give you guys like a lot of information, as well as, you know, whatever I can find on those products, just so you guys are as knowledgeable making those choices. Sorry guys, I've got my daily harvest in my teeth. Judgment free zone, that end. Anyways guys, as far as the premium choices go, it opens up on September 17th, and again, when I find out what the choices are, I'll come back. I'll educate you guys on those products as much as I can find out on them as well. Now, add-ons. Add-ons open up as well on September 14th, which is a Monday. This is going to be early access for premium and Luxe members. So if you have the premium box, if you have the Luxe box, or you are on the wait list, you're going to be able to jump in and choose a bunch of goodies for like up to 70% off. You guys, like some of these items I'm hoping will be part of the add-ons as well for you guys. It is a great way to grow your collection, to get gifts. I'm already shopping for Christmas, guys. Like, you just can't beat those deals. So those are the important dates: September 14th, 15th, and 17th. Mark your calendars, as well as if you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. I always post in our community section letting you guys know when everything has opened up, because I know sometimes people have said that they've had things go into their spam mail and they haven't received notification from Boxycharm. So that's what your girl's here for. Not only to tell you what those choices are going to be, a little information about those choices, but when you need to get in there and make those choices. So, anyhow, like I said, Boxy Pop-Up was the month of August. I'm filming this August 31st. I hope to get it up to you guys September 1st. And I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I was able to snag. The first being one that you guys just saw was the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. You guys, like I said, this is an $80-some product, and they had it in the add-ons for $12. My mom picked one up as well. She's in love with it. The reviews are insane on it, so I'm super excited to add this to my collection. This was also a BoxyLuxe choice as well. And you guys know I love eyeshadows. Like, absolutely love eyeshadows. And I do not, believe it or not, I do not own any Viseart palettes, and they had this little one. I want to say the retail value is like $39, maybe it's a little bit more. This is a high-end eyeshadow brand, but they had this as part of Boxy Pop-Up. Now, Boxy Pop-Up is not every month. It is like every couple months we get a Boxy Pop-Up, and this is where you get up to 80% off of items. Now, add-ons, you get up to 70% off of everything, but Boxy Pop-Up, I feel like, gives us a more variety of things than add-ons. Does that make sense? I don't know, but this is what the palette looks like. And I thought it was a pretty, you know, neutral color. But the reason I wanted to pick it up was because I really wanted to be able to, I've already swatched some of them as well, guys. I wanted to be able to try out the formula because I've heard really good things about their Viseart formula. So I thought, why not? I don't want to pay $40 for this itty bitty little teeny tiny thing. But I want to say I paid $12 maybe? I don't know, $18, somewhere around there for that. Next, I did pick up the Violet Voss Flamingo eyeshadow palette. You guys, this has a retail value, I think, of like 50 bucks. And again, this was something I picked up for $18. So you know your girl. And by the way, I have swatched like every palette. But you guys know how much I have talked about this palette. Like when I see, you can see I swatched that one. You guys know, like when I saw that this was going to be one of the items for our Boxy Pop-Up, I was like, oh my gosh, I want this so bad. And I can't wait to do a look with it. Next, I did pick up the Violet Voss Pro palette. The reason I wanted more Violet Voss in my collection is because I did get a while back the Essentials palette, and most recently the Essentials 2 palette. And I just love the formula, like absolutely love the formula. So, you know, again, these are like 50-some palettes, and you get them for like 15, 18, whatever. Like, how pretty is that? You know? Do I probably have these colors in my collection? I don't want to talk about it. I'm a collector. The end. But, and it was a really good deal, so I don't want to hear it. Moving on to some other items for my husband, my son. They have the Men's Extreme Buffers by Spongel. So I did pick the guys in my life up some of these. I love Spongels. For my girls, I picked some up for me and them. These are the body wash infused sponges. These were like $4, guys, like $4. So I was super excited to get a couple of those. And then I've got two more items to show you guys. One is by Farsali. Again, this was a 50-some product. It's the Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. Super excited to try this out. I know Jackie Ina like has raved about this item, and y'all, this is a regularly like a $40-50 product, and again, I picked it up for 12 bucks. This is full size, and I'm excited to try it out. The last item I have is by Sol de Janeiro. Now, if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you've already seen me do the little haul, but I did want to go ahead and show you guys the products that are available on pop-up, and some of these hopefully we will see as well as on in add-ons. So I did get one of the little Boom Boom creams, and then these are the Sol de Janeiro oils, the Glow Motion oils, and they're in the deeper shade, the bronzy shade, and then the lighter shade, the champagne-y color. So I'm super excited about this. This whole set was like 24 bucks, and I thought it was a really good deal, and I'm excited to try everything out. Like I said, add-ons are going to open up early access on September 14th. There has been an amazing brands that we have seen in add-ons, as well as the nice thing is I have Marc Jacob items coming as well. I know that some were sent to me, like the Thirst Quench, I think is what it's called, and the Dewdrops, and I didn't know I was going to be receiving them in PR. So I actually have those items coming as well, because you couldn't beat it. Like $50 some item for 12 bucks. Like, yes, hello, get into my shopping cart. I know. I don't want to hear about it. Anyways, guys, that is all the information I have for you guys today regarding the first spoiler variation we are seeing for our Boxycharm September base box. You guys know I'll be coming back, and whew, I got really loud. I'm a little overexcited. Sorry, guys. I'll be coming back and showing you some more variations. If I receive it in PR, I will be unboxing it for you guys. I actually do pay for a base box and a premium box. Hopefully, I'll be off the Luxe and I'll receive a Luxe box instead of a base box. But either way, I do pay for Boxycharm as well. So I will be unboxing my personal Boxycharm boxes for you guys, as well as if I receive them in PR. Anyways, guys, don't forget, like I said, I have a giveaway going on over on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me over there as well as here. Turn on those notification bells. And I'm on TikTok. Don't miss the craziness over on TikTok. You never know what you're gonna get. That's all I gotta say. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. Stick around, subscribe, become part of the Hotmess family. I'd greatly appreciate it. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!